Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix Roblox age verification not working in 2026. So if your ID verification fails, gets stuck loading, or you keep seeing the errors, these are some of the easy fixes that will help you get verified successfully. So first of all, if verification isn't working on your PC browser, you can just switch to the Roblox mobile application. The phone's camera verification is way smoother and it has fewer errors. So Roblox verification fails instantly if your ID is expired, damaged, or unclear. So in order to check that out, whether everything is working properly or if there is any problem that occur, you can just simply come here on roblox.com. Afterwards, you need to log in into your Roblox account if you haven't already. Over here, click on the settings icon, then click on the option of settings. So when you are here on account info, if you have tried for the account verification with the help of your selfie or with the help of the ID, it will show up here why isn't it is not getting approved. What's the reason? You will see it here. So whatever the reason is, it is also going to give you the solution for it. So most probably, if you have continued with selfie, it would want you to upload your government ID like passport or driver's license or other supported ID in your country. So make sure that it has the date of birth available and its date of birth matches to your date of birth which you have added in Roblox. So here click on the option of continue, upload your government ID. After that, you just have to wait for at least 24 hours until you see the verification option over here. Now, when you are even continuing with selfie, you just have to make sure that the camera with the help of which you are going to scan your ID or your face, make sure that it is in the bright light. Also, wipe your camera lenses, place the ID on a flat surface and avoid any kind of glares or shadows. If Roblox can't read the text clearly and if it is not able to see yourself, if you are using the selfie option clearly, it will fail again and again. So you need to keep these things in mind. Plus, if you are using any kind of VPNs, you just have to also turn them off, whether in your web browser or in your mobile device. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video, subscribe to the channel and comment below if you have any questions in mind. Thanks for watching.